So what's going down is we're trying to figure out combinations here, patterns, schemes, and shit. Question came up. We had basically 7 different items, okay, and we wanted to figure out how many different combinations could be made out of the 7 items. And a big number came up. So what I did was I started trying to figure out what equation tells us how many combinations can come out of a certain amount of items, so we don't have to do so much counting. We just plug the number into the equation and boom, do the math and bow. So what I did is I started off with 3 because 1 and 2 are apparent. If you have 1 letter, there's only 1 combination that could come from it. If you have 2 letters, only 2 different combinations can come from it, A, B, B, A. But when you have 3 letters, 6 different combinations come out. ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. Try to find any more, you probably won't. If you do find a combination with ABC, it's going to be one of the ones you see here, because there's only 6 possible ones. And then it gets even trickier when you put another letter into the mix, 4 different items, A, B, C, D. Okay, you get a total of, I believe, 24 different combinations. And then when you add 5, you get more combinations. So what I did was I took these combinations and tried to figure out a pattern that could come from it, and this is what I ended up with. Okay, if you take 1, you get a pattern of 1, 2 is a pattern of 2, 3 is 6, 4 is 24, 5 is 120, 6 is 720. Okay, the only thing I can see here is that this is times 2, that goes from here, times 3, 6 goes 24, times 4, times 5, times 6, and each times is a plus 1. This is the pattern analysis I'm at, these 2, but I can't figure out how to derive an equation from this pattern. So if you can figure out an equation from how this is increasing, this is x and this is y, this is x, this is y, 1 1 2 2 3 6 4 24 5 120 and 6 720. If you can find a linear equation or some type of equation to represent this pattern that I found, you would help me out so much. If you happen to be a female and somewhat attractive and you're able to do this, we can get married next week. You're fucking smart. And yeah, so that's where I'm at. Here's how I came about finding the bigger patterns. Like when we get to 6 letters, obviously you can see here A, B, C, D, E, F. It's a very long combination list, and I haven't even exchanged the C for the B right here. See, all of these combinations are A-B combinations, and you could imagine that it's going to be the same length with AC, AD, AE, and AF. So I use this kind of plot, okay, to gather the outcome for the bigger pattern system analysis. So yeah, that's where I'm stuck at. I'm stuck at this pattern right here. Once again, if you can find an maybe some type of y equals x based equation. I'm pretty sure there's an exponent in there somewhere. I don't know. Well, alright. Okay, Facebook, for shizzle.